In this video, I explain the big challenge in making passive income and share a simple solution you can use. If you are searching for a proven way you can finally create recurring passive income, stick with me. This video is for you. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been marketing online almost since the start of the internet. Passive income has always been my #1 pursuit. And before we get going, can I ask you to help me out? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know this is the kind of content you like. And then one last favor, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. And if you have any questions, leave them there too. I do read and respond to all of them. Let me start by explaining what passive income is and why it should be one of your top priorities. Passive income is money that comes in without any extra work. It's cash flow that can continue to come in month after month, year after year. Here's why passive income is my driving force. Passive income really leverages your time. It's what can set you free. It's how people escape the rat race. No more just trading your time for money like in a traditional job. Because of the passive income I've created, I ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer. And passive income can do the same for you too if you get past the big challenge. Last night I read an article on Forbes on passive income ideas. It offered 13 ways that you can create passive income. But reading this article made clear the big challenge. Almost all of their passive income ideas required a lot of cash or other assets, something many just don't have. It suggested things like dividends, market funds, bonds, and real estate. All great ideas for creating passive income, but again, not something everyone can do. Well, here's a simple solution to making passive income. It is something anyone can do. No big cash is required. No previous experience or skills are necessary. It's what I do. It's a simple home business that's all done online. It only takes a few hours per week, and you do not need to stay home to do it. I even do it while I'm out sailing. It's super affordable and really simple. No previous experience is needed. Many new people in this business make money their first day and at the same time create long-term passive income too. You can really leverage your time thanks to the automated online marketing system. We show people how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes per day. Our business comes with the best training and support. We provide 6 live training calls on Zoom each week. We have a terrific online training website you can access 24/7, and you'll love our Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. Plus, I will be your personal mentor. Nothing will be left to chance. You'll never wonder what to do next. It's so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. So if you're ready to finally enjoy the long-term passive income that can set you free, here's what to do next. Go to my website at joebarclay.com/passive and pick up our free training and ebook that detail the fastest and easiest way yet to create passive income. Then all you have to do is just copy what we share. You can be building passive income later today. Again, that's joebarclay.com/passive. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.